Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techline. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Lasso tool to create art in Photoshop. First, head over to the Lasso icon or simply press L on your keyboard. On top you can see there are basically four icons. The first one is basically it allows you to create new lasso every single time. The second one allows you to add new lasso to the previous one, so you can keep on adding new lasso. So the third box is the opposite of the second box. It allows you to cut off parts of your lasso. And the last box is a bit tricky. It basically calculates the number between two lassos and gives you a new one. Usually when you use a lasso tool, it has sharp edges. But if you increase the feather, the edges become very softer. The same way, if you uncheck anti-alias, it makes your lasso edges a bit sharp, but when you enable it, it does make it a bit softer, but it's very subtle. Let's create something just by using the lasso tool, and we will create layer every single time. After creating a lasso, you can color it, you can also move it around, and you have to click again to deselect the lasso. Lasso tool is a very creative tool and it can be used in many different ways. I'm using a mouse, so it's a bit hard to create something perfectly, but if you're using a pen or a tablet, it's much easier there. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.